Welcome to the 8th edition of European Investment Summit here in Stockholm, hosted by DDC Financial Group. We have the pleasure to have with us Patrick Wigan, Director of Wigan Acquisitions. Thank you, Patrick, of joining us.
Pleasure, Kamalo. Thank you for interviewing me.
Patrick, you are an Englishman based in the Central Europe and the Eastern Europe sides. So here we focused on Europe, so European trends, but with an international view. Which are your main feelings and your main impressions about it?
About this DDC event in Stockholm, it couldn't be better. I've attended before this, the one in London and the one in Prague, and I think it's a fantastic forum for gathering like-minded investors, other family office partners, and to have a chance to learn more about the markets that you cover.
Patrick, let's talk about your company, of course, which is the Wigan approach, and where are you specialized at?
So Wigan Acquisitions is a venture set up by me on the back of an old family business, focused specifically on Central and Eastern Europe. On co-investment strategies, on separate account investing. To date, we will be close to 200 million of direct assets acquired in this time, predominantly across, as I said, Central Eastern Europe, but now for the first time, because of the Brexit uncertainty also, starting even to look back into the UK, and with a cousin based in Madrid, we're also covering the Spanish and Portuguese markets.
So can we talk about a Brexit factor when you think to manage all the wealth of your families, and in particular with the Brexit factor, which are the new trends for you?
It's a good question, Kamalo. We have to try and remain positive despite the uncertainties on Brexit and what's going on in my homeland. However, we also think that this is an opportunity to start looking at these markets with the disruption, but also knowing that the British legal system, the property investment framework, brings with it certainty, which perhaps at this time is priced in some cases on a more attractive basis than Eastern European properties when the risk factor isn't properly being taken into consideration.
Are there any other issues, any other topics that could change your strategies or maybe your plans where to invest?
For sure. Our obligation primarily is to the assets we have under management already, which are primarily in Budapest. But on the back of that, we're very much strategy-led. It has been into prime offices and retail. But for the growing asset classes such as student housing, smaller size hotels, and more recession-proof asset classes, then of course we're interested to look into further.
And Patrick, we are running to the end of our interview. What about that eternal flame of the families? Tradition and innovation, can they coexist, or maybe today you have to make your choice?
It's for sure. Family office is a very wide topic and difficult to define, but we say that we're focused on preserving the wealth of our own money alongside that of our partners and the capital generation, but also taking a very opportunistic view at interesting and exciting opportunities with trusted partners and being the trusted local partner network that we can offer on the ground.
Patrick, it was a pleasure to having you here with us. Thank you, and enjoy your staying here at the DDC Financial Group Summit. And so, thank you very much.
Thank you also, Kamalo, and again to DDC.
Thank you.